Hey everyone, so I'm back again with another video on DB or SQL interview questions. I'll just give you a quick recap of what we did, what we covered in the last video. If you have not watched our last video, I would recommend you to go and watch the previous video. So we have covered SQL language, which consists of DML, DDL, DCL, and TCL. We have covered what is difference between delete and truncate. We also covered what all kinds of commands is available in DDL, DML, DCL. We also covered inner join, right join, left join, and full outer join. We also seen the various commands which was available. We also saw what is left join, what is outer join, and what will be the value when you return. Suppose you have two tables. So in inner join, you can see in the diagram 4 and 3 will be returned if we'll do the inner join. In right outer join, right join result will consist of 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, and the left join result will be 1, 2, 8, 4, and 3. So let's get moving now. So types of join, as I said in previously, there are 4 types of join: inner join, self join, outer join, and cross join. Where the outer join consists of left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. This is also one of the questions that is being asked from the DBA profile or from the database background, or if someone is working as a programmer and as the backend programmer in Java, .NET, or PHP. Anyone preparing for that, they will be asked these kind of questions. You can pause the videos for wherever you think you need more explanation from the image what we have copied here. Now this is very important, like how and where the workflow, how the workflow is. So we have so in any query we have multiple sets. So query is divided into 8 parts. So first is the select statement, where we select the column names, and then the from table names. So first will be select or update or alter, then after that the table name, and after that we have where clause. And once the where clause condition is met, after that order by clause gets executed. And once the order by clause is met, order by clause is executed, after that we can group the columns, and groups can have like having column, and after that we can have join or using commands as well. So for example, we can have select column A, column B, column C from table 1, where the condition is can be column 1 equal to if column name is suppose country, so where column equal to country equal to India. Then we can have order by, like order by column 2. So suppose in the result we want to give like order by country ID, so it can be order by column 2, and then group by where we can have the where we can have the having clause as well, which will be which will act as a search condition here. So group by can be column 1 or column 3, and then if we want to join something, that can also be performed using this. So that's all from today's. So just remember how many types of join are there: inner join, self join, outer join, and cross join on a high level. And outer join can be again divided into left join, right join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Then in the left or in the left join result will be the table A, or the left column which is there, along with the common values between left and right table, or the two tables which is getting compared. And the left data source will be the left part here, you can see, and the right outer will give you the values from the right tables. So thank you so much for watching this SQL interview questions, and we will cover more interview questions in the future videos. So this was the second part of the SQL interview questions or DB interview questions. Do keep like the videos and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the latest updated information from the DB as well SQL interview questions. This is going to be very useful series. We'll have around 10 playlist videos, so keep watching for this. Thank you so much.